How to create a Binance account. Hey guys, what's up? Leonardo Paiva here with another video. Today's video shows how to create your Binance account from scratch, step by step. Before we start, please subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials. I'm on the Binance website now, which I'll link in the video description. I'll click the Create Account button here. Choose your country of residence, then click Confirm. Before creating, read the terms and data protection rules. Click this link to read both the rules and terms, okay? It's always good to read through them. If you agree, click Create Personal Account or Create Corporate Account for businesses. I'll create a personal account. Choose an email for your Binance account and set a password. You can agree to receive Binance updates and share data for marketing. Click both boxes. This is optional, okay? Then just click the Next button. After clicking Next, you'll get a verification code in your email. Enter the 6-digit code from your email here, okay? Now you need to verify your identity, alright? So I'll click Verify Now at the bottom. I'll fill in my personal info, first name, last name, middle name if any, and birth date. Then click the Continue button. Now enter your home address, zip code, city, and CPF number. That's it, folks. Any questions? Leave them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. I'll wrap it up here. Take care. God bless. Thanks.